You're all and I hate you! Nin explains, Anger Management 101. Stop being so angry. As formerly the world's most angriest man, I know exactly what it's like to be filled with rage. I used to beat people up. I used to trash things to a holy oblivion. And the language? Jeez. Now, a lot of people assume that anger is bad, and that people who have anger or get angry are bad people. None of those things is actually true. Contrary to popular belief, anger is a necessary part of your life. It protects us from harm, it helps our brains make sense of things, and it speeds up our heart rate and reflexes just in case we need it. Anger serves a purpose. But some people lack control of their anger, and it can be a destructive, violent, and negative influence in people's lives. Lack of control? What do you mean? We've talked about how humans operate in previous videos. Thoughts influence emotions, which influence behaviors. In the case of anger, however, they actually have this backwards. It's their emotions which dictate their thoughts, which dictates their behaviors. Or in some cases, they just don't think. Their emotions fuel their behaviors. When I got angry, I didn't even think. It was just a quick reaction, a quick drop in mood, and I was angry. And I left utter destruction in my wake. I didn't care who I hurt because I wasn't thinking. So is that the solution? Pretty much. Thinking and breathing is probably the best advice I can give someone suffering from anger management issues. If you feel yourself getting angry, or if something has upset you, I want you to do nothing except to breathe slowly and deeply and think. Think about how you're going to tackle the situation. Think, is trashing something really going to be helpful in this situation? Is hurting someone going to hurt you afterwards? Is shouting and swearing at the top of your lungs going to make things better? In most cases, the answer is no. And once you realize that, your level of anger and rage dissipates. You need to train your mind and body in order to think this way, because obviously you've learnt to think a completely different way. If you know you're going to be in a position where you're going to get angry, either learn how to deal with it, or don't be in that position to begin with. If you're still wired from it, you need to let it out. Exercise, or even just lock yourself in a room and talk it out, let it out. Clear the air by yourself without hurting anybody or anything. The worst thing you can do at this point is bottle it in and have it erupt in a future situation where things could possibly get worse. I'm still angry! Hey man, this is just a 4-minute video. I could have gone through every scenario and every situation on how to deal with every angry situation, but I've outlined what the crux of the problem is. If you're really struggling, I strongly suggest that you seek either medical or professional advice. But I've already told you what it all boils down to. So before you seek the professionals, try it for a day. Try it for a few days, try it for a week, try it for a month. If you found this video at all helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Visit me on my website, download my free ebook, follow me on social media, and if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below.